Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install TEMU on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply heading into our Play Store. Now, as you can see, we do have it suggested for us in the sponsored, but let's say you didn't really saw that. Instead, we want to head into search and simply start typing in TEMU, even though it still appears here. They must be paying a lot of money for the advertisement. Interesting. Though note that if you do not have a Google account, you won't be able to use Play Store, so I would strongly advise you to add the Google account. And if you don't know how to do it, we have a how to add the Google account on OnePlus Nord 5 tutorial on our channel. Anyway, after you have done that, you can now start typing in for TEMU. And as you can see, it's pretty funny, but you want to basically ignore whatever appears inside your sponsored tab, and you want to simply head into your TEMU. As you can see, 500 million people, half a billion, download this application. That's quite a lot. So let's go with install, and after a moment we should be able to just use our TEMU and, as they say, shop like a billionaire for free. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.